Hello, scrappers. Christmas Eve. Of course, it's going to be probably Christmas Day or later when you're watching this, but for me right now it's Christmas Eve. I pulled the lug nuts off the other side, but tires rusted on, rims rusted on or something. I tapped on it, couldn't really get in there with a good swing. Maybe if I get that little side rail cut off of there, might be able to. But lug nuts on this side are none of my I got one of these sets here, little impact, and it's got 3 different sockets that got they're actually double sockets a piece. This one's got 3/4 inch and 3/16. I don't remember where I got this set. I think Harbor Freight has a set that's got 2 of the sockets. It's 19 millimeter and 17 millimeter. Of course, 19 millimeter is the same as 3/4. And this one's got 7/8 and 21 millimeter. So, but none of them will fit that. I got this kind of marked off. It's 3 foot wide, 6 foot long. So, as you can see, it's kind of rusted through. I did get out here before I started the video, the angle grinder, cut the welds on this coupler. Good 2-inch ball coupler, so I thought nothing wrong with that. Never hurts to hang on to some of those. You never know when you might need one, especially when you got several trailers. And occasionally if I pick up a trailer that's got a 1 7/8 ball, I try to swap it out and put a 2-inch on it. That's what I did with that boat trailer out there. That boat sat back down. I went out there and that boat was up on end. All the water in it. And then the cover kind of moved forward too, so the whole inside of the boat in the back was full of water, so I had to reach in and pull the drain plug, let it drain out. So, yeah, spring is not too far off. Just a hair over 2 months. It'll be March. So, be getting ready to get them boats out on the water. I'm ready now, actually. But yeah, so I'm going to be trying to buy up accessories between now and March, April, and then when the weather warms up, start putting the accessories on. Yeah, fish finders, pole holders. I want to redo the transom on that little John boat, and put a little pedestal seat on it. I'm thinking get a 3/4 inch piece of plywood that's the same size as the seat, and then I've got this angled aluminum here. I can drill some holes in it. It's like about 2 inch by 2 inch. Where are we at? There we go. Back it out. And I'm thinking I can put that up over the plywood and then down over the seat. Get a good overlap and then run some screws into the aluminum seat where the plywood won't raise up or shift or anything. And then mount my, I'm looking at, right, I got the old boat seat on there right now. And I think it's about 7-inch rise, and it seems about right. So on Amazon they got a 7-incher that bolts down and you can mount a swivel to it, and so I'm kind of looking at maybe going that route. Then I'm debating, should I put 1 on there or 2? You know, should I put a center seat? But I'm kind of thinking about cutting that center seat open and putting a hatch or 2 in there to where I can set the trolling motor battery down in there and the gas can for that little outboard. So that kind of shifts some of the weight forward too. Or if I have a second person in there, but still get that weight off that transom, that's where I'm going to be, and that's where the motor is going to be. So maybe even trolling motor. Unless I just set the trolling motor up in the very front and then only use it if I need it. But you know, should the gas motor break down, I got it for backup. Anyway, I'm just kind of rattling, and I probably need to get busy cutting here. I'll try to cut that open too, and got some other stuff. I'm thinking since I got this all opened up and everything, a couple weeks down the road, I'm going to try to get that car hauler down there and bring those corn heads up, cut them up. I think there's a lot of it's just going to be shred, but I think there's some good heavy metal in there too, some good short iron. But they're very heavy. I can't bring them up here with the tractor. So I'm gonna have to go down. I got to get the car hauler going first. I got to get the winch working. So I got to drag it up here, work on the tail lights, work on the winch, get all that stuff going. And once that winch is going, then I can go down there and drag one of them up on there and try to get it up here into this open area. And then we'll get it cut up, get some video on it. Anyway, I'm going to put this in the tripod and we'll get going. Probably try to cut this side off or cut this bottom out and then cut the sides off, and we'll go from there. I don't know if I can just cut kind of where the welds are. I guess we'll kind of see. So we'll get going. Okay, just about there. What I'm thinking about doing is just getting the angle grinder and cutting these two off and be done with that. And you know, cut them tires off the rims and be done with them. Drill a hole and take the jigsaw and cut around it. Cut around it on both sides and then pull it off. And then get in there with the angle grinder and cut through the bead. And that'll be a done deal on both of those. So that's just about it. And I can always do them tomorrow inside the shop with the doors closed, blocking that north wind. So I'm going to get the angle grinder, cut that, and then probably cut that up. Going on 4, so I'm probably not going to get a whole lot more cut up today. But got that trailer cut up, so I thought you guys might enjoy that anyway. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and wish you all a Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah to the others. And Tuesday morning that load will be going to the scrap yard. So you guys stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.